Hey everybody, we just want to do a quick video update on Eleanor, the 56 chop top owned by Glenn. Just wanted to show you what we're doing with the new Decklid that we did get in from Glenn. It is on the vehicle now, and here is Kevin to give you a quick rundown of what's going on with it.
Earl wants to do a little quick take on Eleanor, where we're at today. Spent a lot of time on this engine cover. Where we're at right now is we've got the sides basically pulled back in. If any of you that have worked with aftermarket metal, usually doesn't fit real good, so there's a fair amount of work that's got to go into recontouring it to get it to the exact shape of the car. Then we got the corners pulled down in to where we're basically our lines are pretty good on the sides. We've got to reshuffle the lid just a little bit to get our gap across the top straight. We're not real happy with the actual shape of the lid itself, because it's straight where the body has a contour where it rolls a little bit. So we're going to have to work to make that, you know, as minimal as we can to try and get the shape exactly the way we want it. But at this point, at least we're closer, and it looks fairly good right now the way it is. It won't take a lot more pounding to get it to where it needs to be. It's just got to be finessed a little bit just to get it right. And it actually closes down pretty nice, so we're getting it there. Hopefully this gives you some idea what you go through making things fit. New piece doesn't necessarily mean a right piece. It just means you've got the basics to start with.
Okay everyone, that was Kevin. He was just going over and giving you highlights of what is going on Eleanor's Decklid. This is Glenn's car, his 56 chop top oval. It's looking real good, taking shape. Next video coming up, you will see us hanging doors on this old girl and getting them trued up on the car, starting to fit seals, all the good stuff. Thank you so much for joining us, subscribing, every good thing. We appreciate all your time and just watching what we do here in this little silly shop called Classic Car Creations. Till then everyone, take care. We'll see you soon.